From the Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway to the One Belt and One Road, from the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area to the Xiong-on-New Area, environmental protection, intelligence, technology, in practicing the mission of the times. Xinxing Construction Machinery has always been with you. Xinxing Construction Machinery Co., Limited was founded in 1993. It is a construction machinery group company integrating research, manufacturing, trading, and leasing. Currently, it has established 3 major production bases in Qingdao, Shaanxi, and Guangxi, and has more than 30 sales offices in China, including Beijing, Shenzhen, Xinxing, and Wuhan. Set up 5 overseas offices in Germany, the United States, Indonesia, Thailand, and Pakistan. Products are sold throughout China and exported to Southeast Asia, Europe, the Americas, and other regions. Based on the introduction of advanced European technology, new building machinery continuously reforms, develops, and innovates. After decades of in-depth exploration and research, it has developed 8 series of products, including top-mounted environmental protection mixing plant, side-mounted environmental protection mixing plant, bucket lifting mixing plant, PC mixing plant, concrete mixing plant, and environmental protection supporting equipment. In terms of intelligent factory and digital workshop construction, Xinxing Construction Machinery adopts intelligent equipment such as IGM automatic welding robots, laser cutting automatic feeding equipment, and MOM digital cloud platform. Through the establishment of an intelligent mixing equipment R&D design laboratory, comprehensively promote the construction of the Internet plus new intelligent global base project. Maximize the flexibility, agility, and stability of production management. The top-mounted environmental protection mixing plant is divided into belt type and bucket type series. It features high efficiency, energy savings, environmental protection, precision, intelligence, and reliability. Fully adaptive production, industry-leading predictive maintenance, low noise, low dust, zero sewage discharge, adhering to the design concept of high configuration, high performance, high environmental protection, and high quality, devoted to creating industry-leading ultimate product. The belt-type environmental protection mixing plant places the cement silo on top, occupying a small area and enclosure area. Low maintenance cost, high mixing efficiency, using centralized dust collection bins to achieve zero dust emission. The latest 360 environmental series mixing plant developed by Xinxing Construction Machinery adopts a cement silo top structure equipped with 6 500 cement silos, using energy-saving and stable pneumatic conveying trough powder transportation method with the best industry cost. The brand-new high-position Confluence premixing main cover developed by Xinxing Construction Machinery can achieve preliminary premixing before the material is fed into the main machine, uniform mixing, higher mixing efficiency. The bucket-type environmental protection mixing plant developed by Xinxing Construction Machinery has a smaller footprint, more energy-saving, and more environmentally friendly. Large maintenance space, low later maintenance costs, more convenient maintenance, customized high-strength bending plate track, manganese lining inside the track, using double rope lifting and multiple limited protection equipment for stable operation. The lower part of the lifting bucket is equipped with a material storage bucket. It can store 1 pallet of materials, and the main building is equipped with a high-level water tank. High measurement accuracy. The powder scale is located at both ends of the main machine, effectively improving the mixing efficiency. Using centralized dust collection bins, easy to release pressure, simple maintenance. The PC mixing plant can use a stereo aggregate bin for material storage and a fully automatic feeding system, equipped with a vertical axis planetary mixer, adopting the principle of planetary mixing. Prefabricated component concrete, high uniformity, multiple discharge door designs meet the requirements of PC and commercial mixing feeding. equipped with temperature and humidity measuring instruments. Actively monitor the drying and wetness of materials inside the mixer. Unique software design seamlessly integrates with the PC production line. Higher measurement accuracy ensures the accuracy of material measurement. Dry powder mortar equipment is divided into tower type, ladder type, and workshop type 3 series. Can meet the production of ordinary mortar and special mortar on the market. The main engine adopts streamlined design, greatly improved mixing efficiency. High-speed flying knife stirring is used for efficient stirring of dry powder mortar additives. The material storage bin is designed to prevent segregation. The efficiency of the screening system can reach 95%. The wear life of the mechanism sand system is long. Low consumption of vulnerable parts. Good particle size, low noise. Products have obtained ISO 9001 International Quality System certification, EUCE certification. It has become a national AA-level measurement unit, national AAA-level quality trustworthy unit, consumer satisfaction unit, Shandong famous brand, high-tech enterprise. New building machinery always adheres to the development strategy of survival by quality and development by technology, adhering to the customer-centered, providing customers with high-quality and efficient services in all aspects from pre-sales, sales to after-sales. Persist in being a high-quality manufacturer of concrete machinery for the entire industry chain. Be specialized, refined, and long-lasting. Be an expert in mixing equipment in 200 countries.